Hi everyone. So as you know, it was Telford last weekend, which was a really good show. Really enjoyed it. All the video footage of that is over on Scott's channel, Let's Do Bonsai, so if you haven't seen it, head over there and have a look. This is just to show you what me and Scott bought from Telford. We've got a few trees in a pot. We took some trees down to sell, Let's Do Houghton Bonsai trees, so we sold a few of them. Well, we sold all of them, so happy days. And what we did do is bought some more raw material to bring back up so we can do some videos on. Like I said, it was a great weekend, really good display. So what we do is, I'll show you the trees we're getting, which is this first one. It's a grey owl juniper. I like working on junipers, so we got this one. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but I will do something. I'll bring the camera in and I'll give you a close-up of this one. So this is tree number one, the grey owl. It's a half decent pot. Some nice movement in the tree. I've never had a grey owl. As you can see, it's got some nice foliage on it, nice and healthy. Got some juniper berries on it. It's a bit long and straggly, but I'm sure we'll make something out of this. I think this might have to be the front, because the hedge coming towards us this way. But then we've lost all the shari at the back. Yeah. I'm sure I'll make something out of this one. We'll stay tuned on this. And this is tray number two, which just had a sticker on as a red hawthorn, which I surmise is a scarlet hawthorn. I'm sure it is. Nice big lump. I don't think I've ever seen one this big and this thick, so it'd be nice to get something out of this. There's a lot we've got to do with this, as it's just putting out branches all over, so we will get something done with this. Main thing I'll do is get rid of one of these leaders. I don't want the two straight up like this, unless we create a broom style, but thinking about removing this one, slight angle change to get the head over to the centre, then all of this one's pulling down and starting off from there. There's a few years in this project, but should be good once it's done. So I'll bring you in and give you a look at tree number two. This is the scarlet hawthorn. As you can see, well, we've got the two straight up branches, like leaders, we should say. I'm going to remove that one, keep this one as the new leader. Then we'll pull these down to start creating depth and pads, or we could go for a broom style type of thing, which I don't know about on a hawthorn, but we'll see. We've still got to come to that. So I already got some carving done to this tree. Looks like it's been shot with a load of bullet holes, loads of little holes, which we can redress. I'll add a big carving into that later on. Need a nice pot for it because this is too big. I'll see if I've got a pot kicking about, and we'll get it out of that one later on this year. Here's the back. So this is the one I'm going to lose, which will open this up, get out a bit of an angle change, let these grow to create the pads down into there. It's going to be better than having two dominant leaders on the tree. Well, that's tree number two. Tree number three is this English yew, Taxus Macata, which Scott seen straight away the first day in. put it straight on the floor. Take the block on the table, put that out the way and keep that for us. It is a nice little tray, this. It's already got some natural, already got some dead wood on the tray. This is the leader. As you can see, it comes up off to the side a bit, then straight towards us. So it will need a slight angle change to about there. This is the biggest spread on the Nabari down here. But it is a nice tray, this. He's done well to pick that one, Scott. Well done, mate. This is a bit long on this apex here, so we'll either reduce it, create a bit dead wood, but we'll see from when we start getting into the tree. It's lovely and green. It's all got new tips on the end. It's got 2nd degree buds further back where the needles are, so it's a healthy looking tree, this. I don't know if it'll be healthy by the time I'm finished with it, like, but it's healthy for now. We've even got some yew berries on. I think I'll make the wife a cup of tea out of the yew. Nah, only joking. We also bought a pot for this yew. Tarzan antique Japanese pot for this to go in, so it will look nice in that pot. I won't be touching this till later on next year. I'll probably get it wired and styled over the Christmas or the coming months. Then we'll get it into this pot just before spring or just in the spring. It's a lovely little pot, that. I'll bring you in and give you a look at tray number 3. There's tray number 3. That's where we get our leader, and it comes big across into there. Well, we can address that issue, like I see us later on. But he's done well to pick this tree. He's learning, he's learning. Nice looking yew. What was that, Scout, yeah? And there's all the 2nd degree buds. All the way down. Nice and healthy. And there's a look at the pot for that tray. It's going to be a nice tray, this one. Cannot wait to work on it. Okay, so that was just a little quick video on what we got from Telford. I'd just like to say a thank you to everyone who bought a tree and for taking the time to come up and shake our hands and talk to me and Scott. We really appreciate it. It was lovely meeting the subscribers and other people and other traders. It's a good day out, well, weekend out. So that's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, and if you haven't, hit the like button and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks!